kind of nice. We're doing a Lego keyboard today. Well, Lego inspired. It's not official Lego. It's from KBDCraft. They sent this over today. Okay, so this is their new one called the Lilith. Okay, I've actually been kind of itching to build one of these KBDCraft boards for a while, but I've just never had the opportunity to. I think the box is wrong though, because it says the case Atom, and I'm pretty sure this is supposed to say Lilith. I'm hoping they sent the right one. Everything else matches up with the Lilith. But actually pretty cool that they have like a full kit of stuff. Although I didn't even see that there were switches in here. I don't know if I'll use these switches, assuming they're not lubed. I already have stuff that I'm ready to go with. But pretty interesting. I've heard these can sound pretty good. Yeah, this is one of like the Lego ones. It's interesting. It has like a whole bunch of things that I'm kind of interested in like trying. I believe they also have like an early bird special of this or something in case you guys were interested. And then the other thing is they also have a gasket mount. And now I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really see this until the other day and I haven't really got a hold of them. I don't exactly know what that meant by like extensibility with this whole like ball joint links. I think that's just for like the characters and stuff like that can go on this keyboard. I think that's all it's for. But I think there's two different kits for this one here. There's a full kit and then there is a regular base kit. Now, the full kit's 109 and the base kit, oh here, we'll give you guys the base kit, which doesn't come with switches or anything. The base kit, we're doing the full kit today. The base kit is, God, I don't know why I can't switch it, $64.99. So that would come with no switches and no keymojis, which you'll see what those are. So if you didn't need switches, 65 bucks USD, or about 90 Canadian. Not bad. Oh, this comes with keycaps too. That's why this is so, I guess, expensive. Well, in comparison to the full kit. Oh, this is nice packaging. Okay. Oh, these are pre-lubed. Are these good pre-lubed switches though? Should we use these? Honestly? I feel like these need to be touched up a little bit. So these come with it called the S2 engines. They're pre-lubed. They're not bad, but I can still hear some spring ping. Just a little, it's like the tiniest, faintest thing. They're kind of cute looking switches though. Well, this is cool. I'll have to use these for another build sometime. Got a coiled cable. Why does this look like an IKEA box? We got some stabilizers. Okay. Guess I don't need to use my own. Got some more Lego. This is so cute. Okay. Some keycaps, which I'll just put to the side. They look pretty interesting though. They're PBT. They're double shot. Although I'm not too sure if I'm interested in using the keycaps. However, for the price, dude, you know what? I know we've talked about this before. This is actually such a sick Christmas present. Like when you really think about it, this is probably a really sick Christmas present. It's not terribly expensive either. This even comes with this too? Okay. I'm glad I'm able to. And we got a plate and we got some foam, which I'm probably gonna use for this. We got a little JST connector. This has a daughter board and everything too. What the hell? What the? I guess I'll just put this here for now. This is pretty extensive for what comes in here. I'm not gonna lie, man. This is pretty crazy. I know they had mentioned this could be extendable in the future, or maybe that's what they meant by extendable or something like that, but we'll just put these to the side. Either way, I'm not mad about this. Obviously you got some limitations here. So if you're looking for the most diverse keyboard in the world, this isn't the board for getting all the layout options. But you know what, Tot Swap, no frills PCB, which is the best PCB by the way. Let me make that clear. No frills PCBs are always the best PCBs. Obviously I like layout options, so I prefer solderable, but it's kind of nice to not have to worry about a bunch of stuff. Foam, and more foam. They had an upgrade kit for the Atom, letting you get a numpad. That's probably what that's for then. That's probably what they meant on the website by like extendable or something. Because they didn't really make it clear, but All right, I guess let's see. Oh, no way. You can make a keyboard stand out of this too. That is so cool. This is actually such a neat little board. I don't know what this is for. I'll keep this to the side. The kit Adam with Obscures is so nice. I've heard that it's pretty good. So we have the TKC switches we're using today. The little fruit smoothies. All right, this is all good to go. I'm actually want to see the RGB. I guess, oh, there it is. Cute. Gotta admit, the diffuser on these is super fucking cool. It is, right? This is really cool. We did this, we did this, we did the switches. All right. Guys, I know that people do Lego streams, but this is my first time, bro. All right. Oh, these just peel off like this. Interesting. Again, I kind of wish they just poked the holes through. This is a little bit of a nuisance. This is so cool. These are like little gaskets. It's a really cool build experience. Would be a nice Christmas present. Bro, that's what I'm saying. This is like the perfect keyboard gift for people who are into keyboards. Or even if you're trying to get like a loved one in. Because like, who doesn't love Legos, first of all? There are some like minor quality of life things, but honestly overlookable. Like this is kind of irritating to put on. All right, next one, we need these, which go here and here. So we got to put the core in now. So it's telling us to put this guy in. So this goes like this. Oh. Okay. So that just sits like this on these gaskets. Interesting. I mean, that's pretty neat. They do kind of look like forks. A transparent set. Oh, that could be really neat too, actually. Now there's some other things we can build too, which is like the keyboard stand, and they also got this like little character thing, because you can put like the character on the side over here. This is hella cute. And it just sits on this. That's kind of cool. It's cute. I'd leave that on. That's kind of cool. Why is this kind of slap? Hold on a second. This is actually kind of cute. I'd rock this. Especially this is costing, like, if you didn't get the full kit, this costs $65. So it's $109 for the full kit and then $65 US for the base kit. Basically what the difference is, from what I understand and what's listed on the website, is you don't get things like the switches and the keycaps, which the keycaps are OEM profile. If you're doing it maybe as a gift, I can see where the full keycap set actually makes more sense, like the full set, full base kit of it or whatever you want to call it. But the base, I think, is more for people who already know what they want to use. This is kind of nice. And the gaskets are actually working too. Normally you'd be able to feel like a lot of like feedback. The gaskets don't feel bad at all. Like, they do not feel bad. They're definitely not super squishy gaskets. So like that flex of the board is only there because maybe the desk pad's going up and down. But the gaskets are doing what they need to do. All right, let's see what this sounds like. We got the fruit smoothie switches, the kit Lilith, GMK keycaps, and everything's built by the direction of the instructions that it came with. This is the build your own keyboard, basically. It's so good. Wait. Kobe. This has no business sounding like this. Like, absolutely none. This actually has no business sounding this good. It does have the plate foam in it, but would you guys guess there's foam in this? Maybe? I don't know if I can guess there's foam in this. This is pretty incredible. I'm low-key probably gonna pick one or two of these up for Christmas gifts. What is this? You can build this other little figurine thing too. I don't know what any of these things are. This is just like a treasure chest of some sort. So now how does this work? You can just put this here like this. Ha! So you get like a keyboard stand out of this too. Cool. I like that. That's neat. Just sits like that. It's definitely a for fun board. Listen, I think this kind of definitely hits above its price point for sure for 65 bucks. I'm not gonna, I mean, yeah, we'll talk about the full kit too. Even at $109, it still definitely hits. Like, this sounds great. However, the layout might be a turnoff for you. I'm hoping there isn't some quality issues on some of these too, like this little black speck on my unit here, or at least the unit that I'm building. The board was a blast to build. It definitely like brought me back to, you know, some childhood Lego building days way back when. I'm impressed with it for its price point. How can you even be mad at this? This is literally, if you don't get the switches and keycaps, $65 for this kit. If I had to, like, I don't know what else to tell you guys. Like, this is actually like a pretty fun board. The value's there. How can you even get mad at this? Peace out, everyone. Bye.